This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Japanese Char Siu for ramen.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
Japanese Char Siu is the soft, simmered pork that usually sits on top of a bowl of ramen. Not to be confused with the Hong Kong style Char Siu, which is a barbecue pork. Traditionally, Japanese Char Siu uses pork belly that's rolled up and braised. Recently, the trend seems to be for making Char Siu that are of different shapes, like cooking and presenting it unrolled, and using different cuts of pork. I have two different cuts of pork here to show you the difference. This is a 450 gram pork belly and 500 grams of Tbsp or pork butt. If you intend to use different cuts of pork, use something that's not too lean. You can try pork neck where there's some fat marbling. For the pork belly, you can leave the skin on, but the traditional way is to have the skin off. And for today, I am cooking the pork unrolled. Place the meat in a pot of boiling water for 15 minutes. This is to remove some of the blood and the scum. After 15 minutes, pour away the water, remove the pork, and wash off any remaining scum. Now for the braising liquid. In the same pot, put in the pork and add 100 ml of sake, 100 ml of mirin, 100 ml of soy sauce. Put in enough water to cover the pork. To this, add ginger, spring onions, 6 shitake mushrooms. This is optional but highly recommended. It adds an extra layer of umami flavor. And also, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. I forgot about that. When it comes to a boil, turn the heat to medium-low. Now, let it simmer for 2 hours. Use a drop lid or a piece of foil. This ensures that the top of the pork gets all the loving from the braising liquid as well. And turn the pork over every 30 minutes till it's cooked. Add more water if needed. When done, remove the pork and let it cool completely. You can keep the braising liquid in the fridge for up to a month or in the freezer for a few months. You can use this liquid again to make more char siu, marinate other meats, use it in stir fries, or for ramen eggs. Cut the char siu into thin slices. If your char siu is too tender to cut, put it in the fridge for a few hours. The meat will firm up and it will make it easier for you to cut. You can serve it as it is, or you can put the slices under the broiler or torch it to give it that charred surface. By the way, this video is part of a series of 3 videos. The other 2 are on making ramen eggs and miso ramen. I'll leave the links below. Japanese Char Siu for ramen.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.